I was contacted today by a prospective client, and we did actually a Google Meet. One of the few times I've done a Google Meet. It was pretty good. Video was good, sound. Prospective client asked if I would give a discount. And I said, well, I have reasonable fees, and I'm a lawyer 25 years, and, I asked if maybe perhaps a payment plan would be helpful. And the prospective client said, no, I just want to pay, all at once, but a lower fee. And then as I was thinking about some version of giving a lower fee, the client said, but you have to be happy with the fee because I'm going to ask you a lot of questions. So I said, well, that's good. I want you to ask a lot of questions because I want you to be engaged. I want you to understand what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and to have an understanding of how we move pieces around, what we need to do. I did, in fact, reduce the fee a little bit, and I think we're going to go forward. We haven't yet. But I will tell you, the fee, in some sense, is small compared to potential savings. If we were talking about a few $100,000 in bank accounts and a property, valued probably at $750,000, what's the amount that you'd be willing to pay to safeguard those assets from a future calamity? And this was a situation where this prospective person had seen me on YouTube, did watch my seminar, and understands that there's a blended family where she has a child from a prior marriage, the husband has a child from a prior relationship, and they have a child in common. And then to boot, there's another family member by custom and practice, not by blood, person they had taken into the home. So all of these moving parts mean that you need to have forethought and a certain sensibility and an understanding of why things are done in the way in which they are, and how about we think about all of the possible contingencies and then prepare for them. That's thoughtful, deliberate practice. And if you need that type of assistance, please reach out to me, Frank Bruno Law. And if you make a compelling case, I may even let you become a client.